Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore everything green and growing. Today, we have something fun and totally unexpected for you. 7 weird garden hacks you've never heard about. These are so unusual, you'll wonder why you didn't try them sooner. Let's jump right in. First up, did you know you can use diapers to help retain moisture in your potted plants? Well, yep, you heard me right. Diapers. Preferably an organic one. Place an unused diaper at the bottom of a pot with the absorbent side facing up. Then add your soil and plant. The diaper absorbs water and slowly releases it over time, keeping your plants hydrated for longer. Perfect for those who forget to water their plants or hot summer days. Next, save those eggshells. They make fantastic biodegradable seed starters. Just crack the top off, rinse them out, and fill them with soil. Plant your seeds, and once the seedlings are ready, you can plant the whole thing in the ground. The eggshells break down and add calcium to your soil. It's a win-win situation. Hate the mess of soil leaking out of your pots? Here's a weird but handy trick. Use coffee filters. Place one at the bottom of your pot before adding soil. It lets water drain but keeps the dirt where it belongs. No more muddy patios. The next hack is that you do not toss those banana peels. Now, they're packed with potassium and phosphorus. Just chop them up and bury them near your plant's roots. As they decompose, they'll feed your soil and boost your plant growth. Perfect for tomatoes, roses, and peppers. Next, you got slugs and ants. Sprinkle used coffee grounds around your plants. Not only will it repel pests, but it will also enrich your soil with nitrogen as it breaks down. Plus, your garden gets a morning coffee boost. Next up is, did you know that cinnamon is antifungal? Well, sprinkle it on your seedlings or around your plants prone to fungal diseases. It's a natural and affordable way to keep your plants healthy. Next is milk. If you spot powdery mildew on your plants, grab some milk. Now, mix 1 part milk with 2 parts water and spray it on the affected areas. The enzymes that are in milk fight off mildew while being safe for your plants. Now, let's talk about seed trays. Most people think they're just for starting seeds, right? Well, think again. Today, we're also sharing 5 unexpected uses for seed trays that will make you see these gardening tools in a whole new light. Let's jump in. Seed trays are not just for soil. We use them to organize our small gardening tools and supplies. Those little compartments are perfect for keeping everything in one place and easy to grab when you need it. Got extra herbs from your garden? Use a clean seed tray as a drying rack. Spread your herbs out evenly. Place the tray in a well-ventilated area and let nature do its thing. Here's a bonus. The airflow through the tray helps them dry faster. Here's a cool one. Use a seed tray to start a mini worm farm. Add a bit of soil and kitchen scraps and a handful of worms. They'll break everything down into nutrient-rich compost that you can add back to your garden. Microgreens are all the rage, and guess what? A seed tray is the perfect tool for growing them indoors. They don't need much soil, and in just a couple of weeks, you'll have fresh, nutritious greens to add to your meals. Who knew seed trays could be so versatile? Whether you're organizing, growing, or even prepping for a party, these hacks prove they're more than just a gardener's basic tool. Got any creative ideas for seed trays? Drop them in the comments below. And there you have it, 7 weird gardening hacks that are as surprising as they are useful. Have you tried any of these, or do you have your own quirky gardening tips? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening hacks and fun tips. See you next time, inshallah.
Yeah.